Hello, friend. This is Jimmy from Can Have Immigration Canada. I'm back again with the next video for a lot of candidates who are asking about how to find an employer or a job in Canada while they are sitting outside of Canada. Whether it's hard or very easy process. So, just a rule of thumb, I just want to tell you guys, yeah, it is not impossible to find a job while you are sitting out of Canada. Uh, yes, you need to have certain networking. If you have a friends or a family here in Canada, they can network with the employers, small employer, big employer. They can go over the job portals like jobbank.gc.ca or Indeed. There are so many other job portals where they can find the openings and can then connect with the employers. If you have connections here, yes, you can get a job offer from Canada while you're sitting outside of Canada. Otherwise, to find a job while you're sitting outside of Canada, and you are going on the job websites and sending your resume day after day, one by one, and you are not able to get any reply. It is hard when you don't know anybody and who will give you a job from outside when we will be able to find a good candidate, quality candidate, skilled job, skilled labor over here in Canada other than bringing them from outside. So this goes both way. So first of all, if you are in a very rare category, let's say you have a skill set that is very hard to find here in Canada. Yes, it is doable. It is not a problem. Big companies like very big tech giants and financial institutions, they are looking for these kind of candidates who have very knowledgeable, good qualification, and very unique skill set. Let's say in information technology, if you are a like multimedia designer or you're a game designer, you can design video games for mobile phones or apps like that kind of stuff. Yeah, this is still a hard category here in Canada to find. This is just an example. Let's say you are an engineer in biotechnology or during current condition, right? You having those kind of skill set that you can help the drug testing facilities with the new drug for this unprecedented time right now. These kind of things, yes, you might be able to crack that line, that interview, that job opening, and they will help you to come here. If you are a professor or a research fellow with very good skill set, like your publications are all over the world and all those things, right? Yes, it is doable to find that kind of a job. But if you are looking for low level skill job, you want a cleaning job, you want a helper job, then you must know somebody over here. You should have a friend or a family who can connect with a consultant, with a lawyer, with the recruitment agencies. Then it is not hard to find a job here in Canada. Otherwise, it is really hard. You can send number of resumes and you will still not be able to get any reply. I have seen in my last 7 to 8 year of experience with immigration industry, I've seen whenever somebody is sending me an email, I've seen a lot of people just write in the subject, I need a job. What kind of job? No idea. They just attach their general resume. That's it. They don't even write anything in the body of the email. I need a job. I need a Canada job. I need a low level job. I need a helper job. These kind of example. But if you are sending these kind of emails to find a job, I work with the corporate sector in big multinational companies here in Canada. So I work with the human resources also. I did hiring for overseas also. So when we're looking at these kind of emails, then what is the first impression? That candidate is not serious. Why should I look for even their resume? Here is the delete button. Click it and done. Let's go to the next one. I can give you an example. If I'm putting a job out there, in 1 to 2 hours, I will receive hundreds of resume. If you want to stand out between those 100 or 200 resume in couple hours, there should be a matter in your email that will click my eye over there, or recruiter's eye on your email. Only then you will be able to get some kind of a response. Otherwise, forget about it, that you will be able to get a job while you're sitting outside, and you can find a job where somebody will call you for an interview even, or even write a courtesy email, thanks for your email, we'll get back to you after a week or 10 days or 2 weeks or 3 days, right? Whatever their general policies. So that's what the thing is. This is the only way. If you have friends and family here, let them network. You can also go through some of the recruitment agencies here. They only do the international recruitment. But again, recruitment agencies are also very specific what kind of jobs they will look for, what kind of candidates they needed. It all depends on who are their clients, who is going to hire you. So make sure, like, certain agencies are only looking for accounting people. There are certain recruitment agencies only for IT people. So there are different things. You have to work hard. You have to do your homework before you're sending an email for a job. For a rule of thumb, I always tell my clients, if you are sending an email for a job opening, it will take at least 45 minutes to an hour to draft that email, to draft that resume for a particular job. You cannot have one generic resume that you can send it everywhere. Then, if you doing like this, then you have seen the results already so far. So I wish you guys all good luck. Make sure you guys go through little bit of explanation I given through, listen it properly, and then try to send some resumes for those categories. It is both way. It is hard and it is easy. For some clients it's very easy to find a job here because they have unique skill set. For the general ones it is very hard until and unless they have somebody who can pursue on their behalf, and they can go through certain consultancy or the recruitment agency. So that was a little update, or this was a general guideline for how you will be able to find a job in Canada while sitting outside of Canada, whether it's hard or easy. So I'll bring some more videos regarding Canadian immigration as soon as I get some more news. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.